My name is Alex. I am the Healthy Homes Program Coordinator with Blackhawk County Public Health, and today we are going to talk a little bit about radon, specifically radon in Iowa. So radon is an odorless, tasteless, colorless gas. It's nothing we can sense with any of our normal senses that is found naturally in the soil. It occurs when uranium, which is naturally found within a lot of the rocks underground, decays, and then it becomes a radon gas. And that radon gas can seep up through different cracks and crevices and places that aren't quite sealed in our home and concentrate within it. And radon is the leading cause of lung cancer for non-smokers. Number 2 cause of lung cancer overall. So it's definitely a health hazard that we want to make sure that you are aware of and can take steps to make sure you understand the level of radon in your home and lower it to a safer level if needed. Testing for radon is especially important here in Iowa. While the EPA recommends that every home in the United States gets tested for radon, they do have different risk categories based on the geological area of where you live. And overall, you can see there's 3 different colors on this map. Zone 1 being the highest, that's red, highest risk. Zone 2 is the orange, medium risk, and Zone 3 is the lowest risk, that's in yellow. There's a risk everywhere, but there's definitely a higher risk in some areas than others. And as we zoom in here on Iowa, you can see that the entire state of Iowa is Zone 1, red, highest risk of radon. So no matter where you live in Iowa, it is very important that you test your home because there is a high likelihood that your home might contain dangerous levels of radon. It's not just this risk that is higher in Iowa either. The actual data shows that there are houses more likely to have high levels of radon here as well. Nationally, the average for radon levels within a home is 1.3 picocuries per liter. Here in Iowa, that level is 8.5 picocuries per liter. So 1.3 nationally versus 8.5 here in Iowa. The EPA's maximum level that they recommend in a home before you for sure mitigate your home and reduce that radon level is 4. So our average here in Iowa is over twice the recommended level where the EPA recommends that you do something about the radon gas. Here in Iowa, it's expected that 5 out of every 7 homes have a level of radon gas that is at least 4 picocuries per liter or higher. And again, 4 is the level where the EPA recommends that we start to mitigate those homes to reduce the risk of radon causing lung cancer in the residents of the home. And so again, that's 5 and 7 here in Iowa. Nationally, the average is 1 in 15. So we are much more likely to have high levels of radon in our homes here within our state. That holds true here in Blackhawk County as well. Iowa Health and Human Services has data on radon testing, and from 2015 through 2019, the average radon level for homes in Blackhawk County that were not mitigated, not treated for radon, was 4.2 to 5.9. So for all 5 of those years, we were at or above the EPA recommended level of 4 for average homes in Blackhawk County. And that includes having one of the higher readings for one year, over 50. A lot of times the highest reading is 20s, 30s, 40s, and again, one time over 50 too. So we definitely see high levels of radon right here within Blackhawk County as well. Radon testing is something that you can do on your own. You can pick up a kit. Looks like this. We have them available here at the Blackhawk County Health Department. If it's not something you want to do on your own, you can also go to the IDPH website link and find a Iowa certified radon measurement specialist who can come and do that testing for you. And if you do find high levels of radon in your home, it is possible to reduce those levels most of the time to under 2, which is the safest option to get it under 2. And you can also find a list at the link for Iowa radon mitigation specialists who can come and install those systems for you. In addition, if you live in Waterloo, the Waterloo Community Development has a HUD grant that provides funding for healthy homes, and that includes things like radon testing, lead paint testing, and making sure that your home is a safe place to be. So if your home was built before 1978. You can check out their program to see if you qualify as well. So hopefully that helps give you a little bit better idea of the risk of radon right here in Iowa and within Black Hawk County in general. And make sure that you are testing your home to make sure that you are keeping you and your family safe. If you would like more information, you can definitely visit our website or check out some of our other resources available on our social media pages.